My name's Zoe from Brooklyn Music Factory. I'm here today with my stuffed animal friends, and we're going to help you warm up your voice today. So, first thing we want to do, before we even start singing, warming up is, getting your body ready for exercise, right? So, warming up our voice is getting our voice ready to exercise our voice. But before we do that, you even want to make sure that your neck, head, jaw, and shoulders are relaxed. So it's really helpful to start stretching sometimes. So we're going to do a couple gentle stretches to make sure we have no tension in our neck, jaw, or shoulders, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll our shoulders in a circle. We're going to start rolling them in a circle backwards first. So if you need some visual help, here I am. So we're going to take our shoulders and roll them in a circle like this. This kind of is like a shoulder massage for here and here. So let's roll them in a circle backwards 3 times. Ready? Deep breath. 1, 2, 3. On the third one, you can lace your fingers together like this and stretch backwards. You're going to pull your shoulders back. Take a deep breath in there. 2 more deep breaths. Last deep breath. And release. Now, we're going to go forward with our shoulders. Once, twice. Third time, we're going to lace our fingers together. Push forward, deep breath. Another deep breath. Third deep breath. And let go. Now we're going to move our head in a circle. So first, I'm going to move it in a circle towards this wall. Rolling our head around nice and gently. Should be getting a nice stretch when you get down to the bottom. Second time. And the third time. Let it hang here in the middle for a second. Let the weight of your head gently stretch the back of your neck. Deep breath in. Very nice. Now we're going to go towards this wall. So, down again and turn it in a circle, starting towards the other wall. First time around. Second time around. Third time around. Let it hang when you get to the bottom again. Deep breath. All right, so now your body should be a little bit more loose and stretched. If you feel any tension anywhere, take a second to stretch it into that. So maybe I feel some tension right here. I can rub my shoulders. Maybe there's some tension in my jaw. I can open my jaw a couple times. Maybe I gotta stretch my arms as far back or forward as I need to. So we should be ready right now. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hum on an HMM sound. You see how my lips are closed? But I still have space in my mouth. I'm not going Right. So let's start here. And we're gonna hum on 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? It's gonna sound like this. Listen first. Here we go. Move it down. Now we're going to start to go back up on this hum. Nice tone. Keep it going. Yeah. So, I discovered a pretty big range on the piano. I started here, I went down here, and then I came back up here, and then I went all the way up to. So, this is a pretty big range. If you ever feel like it's a little too high or a little too low, don't feel uncomfortable with stepping out for a second and then stepping back in when it feels right for you, okay? So, now that we've done our humming, which is a great way to get in touch with our nasal resonance and nice big open back of the mouth sound, we're going to go to some sirens. So, for the siren, think of a low note. Think of a high note. We're going to connect them. It's going to sound like a siren going off in the street, all right? So, for instance, like this. Can you try that? Let's try it together. Again. Let's try it. One more time, make it nice and big. Whoa. Pretty cool, right? All right. So, another really good one, especially for all of my vowel fans out there, and we'll start here maybe. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms, I cried. Let's give that a shot, but listen first one more time. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms, I cried. Last one. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna walk it back here. This one's really tricky. This one requires a lot of breath support. There's a lot of words. And if you listen, it sounds like this. On my farm I grow potatoes, radishes, and red tomatoes, cabbages, and watermelons too. Give it a try. It's tricky. On my farm I grow potatoes, radishes, and red tomatoes, cabbages, and watermelons too. All on one breath. Here we go. Sounds like this farm is pretty well stocked, my friends. Great job. So, that's some vocal warm-ups for you today. Tune back in soon to BMF TV. We'll have some more stuff for you. But for now, that's all we got. We hope that you are enjoying your time with your family and that we'll see you again here soon. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks so much.